Assalamu alaikum dear students of class 8th. This is me your teacher Mushtaq Ahmed at Bera Foundation College Nushr Firoz, subject teacher computer. Dear students, today we are going to use Microsoft Word Office. So dear students, to open Microsoft Word you will have to press window key from your keyboard and a menu is appeared here and you will have to see that where Microsoft Office is present and you will have to select it and click from your mouse. So dear students, as you will apply these steps, your Microsoft Office will be opened here and we will focus on insert tab because sometimes we need to insert equations or symbols during the editing or formatting a document on Microsoft Word. So dear students, to type some sentences is very easy on Microsoft Word, but inserting symbols are sometimes very difficult that we do not know that how to insert a symbol on our document. So dear students, for example, you want to insert some symbols. So to insert symbols you will have to click on insert tab and you will go to the symbols. Insert symbols and you will click on the symbols. So dear students, here a menu that displays the symbols is present and you will click on the more symbols. So dear students, as you see that different symbols, different styles of symbols are available or displayed on this menu and you can insert any type of the symbol from this menu on your document. So dear students, sometime you can insert Haitian symbol. So the symbol that you want to insert on your document, you will have to select or click on this symbol and go to the insert. Your symbol will be inserted on your document. So dear students, for example, you want to insert the symbol of percentage on your document, you will have to click here percentage symbol and click on the insert. Your symbol will be inserted on your document. So dear students, these are the tools that enables us to insert symbols on the document. Sometimes we want to insert mathematical equations, so many students feel very difficulties that how to insert mathematical symbols on our documents. So dear students, to insert mathematical symbols, dear students, to insert mathematical symbols, similarly you will have to click on insert tab and go to the equations. Here your symbols, various symbols of mathematical equations are also available. For example, you want to insert a symbol that displays the square root. You can also select this symbol here and you will have to set the values in this square root. So this depends on your value. So dear students, similarly, sometimes you want to insert chart on your document, you will have to click on Insert tab and go to the chart, and a menu is displayed here that displays or shows the different styles of the charts, and you will have to choose the style of the chart that you want to insert on your document and go to the OK and click on OK. Your selected chart will be inserted on your document. So dear students, insert tab is one of the techniques. Insert tab is one of the tools that enables us to insert any kind of the picture on our document. So insert tab enables us to insert tab enables us to insert charts, or pictures or tables or another symbol on our documents. So dear students, in today's lecture we have learnt about inserting chart, inserting symbols or inserting mathematical equations on our document. Dear students, your lecture is ended here, and your homework is to follow the steps to achieve same practical that I have performed here, and you will have to apply same steps to achieve this practical on your home PCs and send me its output on our WhatsApp group. Your lecture is ended here, and we will meet in coming up lecture. Still Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum dear students of class 8th.